Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Oh, so good.
You recently completed your SEO course in DMT. What's about your experience? How was your experience here?
The experience was well, the teacher was very well. And also we wanted to course in English and he could speak English very well. I didn't predict he would speak as good as he did, but it was very good. And I think this is one of the best teachers in digital marketing.
Okay, what would you like to say about environment in DMT?
The environment was good. They had AC. The room was clean and it was always good. He always entertained us. Even if it was boring, it was never boring. There's always something new to do.
Would you like to recommend another students?
Of course, 100%. Out of the whole of Pakistan, I think DMT is one of the best in Lahore. There's nowhere else.
Thank you. Where are you from?
I'm from the UK myself.
UK?
Yeah.
Okay. How do you know about DMT?
So I was looking for digital marketing agencies. So I want to learn digital marketing, but from the UK. But I decided I can learn it from my home country, be much better. And they will tell me the in and outs instead of the UK, they won't. So I typed in digital marketing Lahore and it was the first one on there. And I clicked on it and I rang up and I'm here now.
Nice to hear all. Thank you so much.
No worries, thank you.